What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix POCO X7 screen won't turn on. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn it on again. After turn on your device, then open settings and click on apps. On top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now click on reset app preferences and again click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, then go back and click on my device, and here you can see the option factory reset. Now click on it and then click on erase all data. After erase all the data, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.